Welcome to this tutorial on how to find out the annual percentage yield, or APY, for Charles Schwab accounts. Understanding APY is important because it helps you compare the earnings potential of different savings and investment accounts. To start, visit the official Charles Schwab website. This will ensure you are getting the most accurate and up-to-date information. Once on their homepage, look for the section dedicated to banking or savings accounts. Here you should find details on various accounts offered by Charles Schwab, including the current APYs. The APY may vary based on the type of account, such as a checking account or a high-yield savings account. So make sure to choose the one that best fits your needs. If you cannot find the APY directly, look for links to resources or financial tools. Sometimes, these resources will provide calculators or comparison charts that can help you see how Schwab accounts stack up against other banks. You can also read through the FAQs or help sections to clarify any questions about their interest rates. Lastly, if you still have questions about the APY or how it applies to your specific situation, consider reaching out to Charles Schwab's customer service. They can provide personalized information and help you understand how their rates may impact your savings. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope you now feel more equipped to find the APY for Charles Schwab accounts.